Thank you for inviting me and giving me an exciting opportunity to introduce myself. As you already know, my name is Mohammad Mehdi Hassan and I am graduated from Bangladesh Maritime University in Oceanography, and currently I am doing my MBA in Maritime Business from Bangladesh Maritime University. I believe I am the right fit for this program because I am passionate about hardworking and eager to learn, and I can adapt quickly any situation. I have good communication skills and I enjoy solving problems and working with the team. I am confident that I can grow fast with this company and make a strong impact. MGH Group is a respected company with a strong global presence. I admire how it connects people and business across the world. I want to be a part of the journey of MGH Group and growing with the company and learning from the best professionals in the industry. In the next 3 years, I am to become a skilled officer in logistics and courier operation. I want to take on more responsibility, lead small teams and support the company. That's my ultimate goal after 3 years. I bring fresh energy, a strong presence of responsibility with a positive attitude. I am always ready to go the extra mile to meet targets and improve customer satisfaction. With my dedication and willingness to grow, I believe I can add real value to the MGH team, and I believe MGH Group will give me an opportunity to work with them.